How to create a poll post on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create and post a poll on LinkedIn easy and fast on less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account, and now go here to start a post. Click on it and click on this icon right here, or click on those three dots and click on create a poll. Now right here, choose the question, for example what, and I'm just going to show you guys. And now choose the options that you want to add to your poll, or you can add another options from here, and choose the poll duration: 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. And after you finish, just click done. Easy and fast from here. As you can see, now it's very easy, it's created. Click who can comment on your poll and choose, and then click post. As you can see, the poll is created easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.